So cutting out a window, it is going to throw sparks depending on how you do it. So you want to cover up anything that is flammable. Kind of lucky in this one that it's empty, and so we can cut it pretty easily. So there are window gussets right here that we need to cut out first. Be using a cutoff wheel for that, and then a nibbler for the rest of the panel. Go down, do the same on the bottom. Okay, once all those are cut, you want to drill a larger hole so that you can get the nibbler in there if you have one. Now basically follow the contour of this inside lip. Get another battery. All right, as farthest we can go on that side. All right, now to get through this last piece, we'll have to go back to the grinder. Two at the top. I'm gonna tape this up so this side doesn't fall down prematurely. And one window cut out. All right, so don't worry too much about the height of this right now because we're gonna grind that down to this height and smooth all that out. Now take an angle grinder, smooth out all these rough edges. All right, pretty good. Once we get to this point, you're gonna take your trim and a mallet of some sort. I like to have it in the center. And you just wanna put this trim on the inside piece. Makes it look pretty. Be sure to push it down into the corners and then it won't shrink up on you. Continue all the way around the window. Make sure it's all the way in, all the way around. And then you will want to clip. Make Make sure those line up. And we're done with the inside. Take a little alcohol. You want to clean the outside around the window so that it's perfectly clean. No dust, no dirt, no oil. Then take the Sika primer. You want to prime about 1.5 inches, 2 inches all the way around the window, wherever you're going to have the sealant. Want to make sure you get coverage, but do not have any puddles or glops. Doesn't need to be perfect because that will all be covered by the window. Go ahead and hit the inside part of this where you trimmed it, just for rust prevention. Trying to get a lot of it off or it will run. Once that's on, you want to wait for an hour for that to dry. All right, just like the other side, we want to clean this, make sure it's spotless. No grease, no dirt. Might not look dirty, but it is. Now we're going to flip this over. Grabbing the edges so you don't dirty up what you just did. So when you cut your tip, I'm going to cut a slice in it so you have a bead and a little bit sticking up so that it grabs the window and you get good even coverage. Go about in the middle of your bead. There's a metal plug in these that needs to be taken out. Or pushed in, basically break the surface of it so that it will come out. Put some tape up along here to hold the window up and keep it from sagging until it dries. Get your window. Push it in there. Make sure you get good contact all the way around. Check your alignment. Lift it up, bring your tape down. Again, check your alignment everywhere. Make any adjustments you need now. You need to move it a little bit, now's the time to do it. Check your alignment on the sides, the bottom, the top. Make sure everything's pushed in. Now just let it dry. And we're done. It'll probably be ready to take the tape off in 3 or 4 hours, but I would let it sit for about 8 hours at least, and don't be opening the wind doors because that creates a pressure differential that could pop them out. I mean, they wouldn't come out, but they would come loose a little bit. Best just to let them sit. And you got windows.